for 9th standard. Lesson number 10, Matter Around Us, Part 7. This is your 7th video class. In our previous class, we learned about the separation of methods, isn't it? Various separation methods. In today's class, we are going to discuss about a simple distillation. This is one of the separation method. Simple distillation. Distilled means water. Distillation is a process of obtaining pure liquid from a solution. Distillation is a process of obtaining pure liquid from a solution. What is meant by solution? Solute plus solvent is called solution. If you take a salt, means that is a solute, and water, it is a solvent. If we mix together to get a solution, salt water, isn't it? Salt plus water, it gives salt water. That substance is called as solution. Solute example is salt and water is a solvent. If we mix together and we get solution. Distillation is a process, actually a combination of evaporation and condensation. What is meant by evaporation? Everyone is know the meaning of evaporation, isn't it? What is meant by evaporation? The process of turning liquid into vapor is called evaporation. And what is meant by condensation? And what is meant by condensation? Vapor into liquid water which collects as droplets on cold surface is called a condensation. Evaporation means the process of turning liquid into vapor. So distillation means combination of evaporation and condensation. In this method, a solution is heated in order to vaporize the liquid. The vapors of the liquid on cooling condenses into pure water. For example, if we take a seawater, is converted into drinking water. If seawater is a solution, isn't it? Seawater contains many components like sodium, chloride and other components, or like a salt solution is converted into a pure liquid, pure water by this distillation method.
Discuss how the simple distillation by an experiment. A distillation flask is fixed with water condenser. A thermometer is introduced into the distillation flask through an one-holder stopper. The bulb of the thermometer should be slightly below the side tube. The brackish water, seawater, to be distillated is taken in the distillation flask and heated for boiling. The pure water vapors passes through the inner tube of condenser. This is the inner tube of condenser. The vapors on cooling condenses into pure water and collected in a receiver. This is a receiver. Droplets of water can be collected. The salt are left behind in the flask as residue. This is the salt particles collected, left behind in the flask as residue.
Do you watch the experiment? Experiment can be done by simple distillation method. Simple distillation method is nothing but the solution is converted into a pure liquid.